Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to make Opera GX download faster using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your Opera GX. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and search for Chrome //flags. So you can see the search or text box at the upper part of your screen. Okay, so just go ahead and type this one and click on enter. Then once you've done that, what you need to do is to search for parallel downloading. So you can see the search bar at the upper right side of your screen. Okay, so now once you've searched for parallel downloading, what you need to do is to just go ahead and enable the parallel downloading feature. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow at the right side of the parallel downloading feature. So click on that drop down arrow and click on enable. And once you've enabled this feature, what you need to do is to just go ahead and relaunch the software. Okay, so once you've relaunched the software, that should help you to make Opera GX download faster. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.